There was once a boy named Jake, a dreamer, but a lazy one. He always said, "I'll start tomorrow." Homework, fitness, career, everything could wait. He believed there would always be time, but time had other plans. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. While Jake slept late, scrolled endlessly on his phone, and wasted hours doing nothing, his friends kept moving forward step by step. One friend started a business. Another got a scholarship. Someone else began working on their dream body. And Jake was still dreaming. One day, Jake looked around and felt something strange inside. Everyone was moving ahead and he was stuck in the same place. He felt jealous, lost, and angry, but mostly disappointed in himself. He whispered, "Why am I still here?" And the answer came quietly, "Because you wasted your time." That night, he couldn't sleep. The ticking of the clock felt like a countdown to his regrets. Every tick said, "You could have worked." Every second said, "You could have changed." He realized time doesn't slow down for anyone, not for the lazy, not for the dreamers, not for the scared. The next morning, Jake woke up early, no excuses. He stopped saying tomorrow. He started now. At first, it was hard. Waking up early, staying consistent, fighting distractions. But little by little, his discipline built strength. His effort created results. He was no longer waiting for the perfect time, he was using his time perfectly. Months later, Jake looked back and smiled. He didn't change overnight, but he started. And that one decision changed his entire life. He learned that laziness steals dreams, and time never waits. If you waste today, tomorrow will punish you for it. But if you act today, tomorrow will reward you. Time is the most powerful thing you have. Use it wisely before it uses you.